Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. So, if your GCash app on iPhone keeps going back to the previous screen or randomly exists, this video is for you. Let's fix it in a few quick steps. So for that, first of all, you want to simply force close and reopen it. First, swipe up from the bottom of your screen and then pause to open the recent app. Swipe it off to force close and then reopen it. This clears temporary glitches. Now after that, you can simply restart your iPhone. A simple restart often fixes random bugs. Just go ahead and hold the power button and volume up button until you see the slide to power off button and then turn off your iPhone. Wait for 10 seconds and then turn it back on. After that, head to your app store and then in the search bar simply search for GCash. Once you search for it, you want to go ahead and simply tap onto it, and then if you found update button, you want to go ahead and simply tap on update and let your application update to its latest version. So always keep your app updated to avoid bugs and crashes. After it is done, head back to your home screen and see if the problem is fixed or not. If it still acts up, press and hold the GCash icon, tap on remove app, tap on delete app, and then tap on delete again. Once you have deleted GCash application from your mobile device, visit the App Store again and reinstall it. Also head back to your home screen, open up settings application, scroll below, then tap on general, tap on software updates and make sure your iPhone is running on the latest iOS version. Outdated system software can sometimes cause app misbehavior. And that's it guys, your GCash app should now work smoothly. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.